Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna unbox this Yeelight Jupiter D, or actually it's D but it's C600. So the box itself is very big, so you might use both Alexa, Google Home as well. So let's just start unboxing it. There might be an echo inside because this room. Oh, I think someone has opened this. Okay, see this. I bought this from Xiaomi store. That's what is it called? They call it mistore.com or Sweden or stuff like that. So I'm gonna try to unbox this in one hand. It's gonna be tricky. There's the light itself. Since I bought it from Xiaomi, so they put my name and address right on the front of it. Okay, hold on. I need my two hands actually. Okay, this side, it has screws. Says I don't know. But there's screws on the other side. There might be a remote control. So that's cool. I didn't know that they have a remote. That's empty. Whoops, that's empty. It's not heavy. Wow, this one is very light. What? Oh, okay, I know why. Only the cover, that's why. It looks silver though. I thought it was a black one, but okay. Come on. Oh, here's the light itself. Again, it's a bit difficult doing it with one hand, but okay. There's a plastic cover. I don't think I'm supposed to open that, but there are lots of LED inside of this. Where's the bottom? Oh, maybe bottom's on there. Let's see if I can grab it. What? That's it? Sorry. I thought it had a universal bottom. Okay, maybe it's not the one. Okay, I'm a bit disappointed, but anyway, it's pretty simple. You put the cable here and attach to this, and then you have one screw hole here, 2, 3, and 4, and there is a scan the Me app. Okay. And then you just twist this in place. Yeah. Okay, well guys, I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos like unboxing of these lights from Yeelight.